Hey, hi Vishal, welcome to live stream. हाय विशाल, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। कैसे हो? साउंड आ रहा है क्या? एक मिनट, लेट मी चेक। हेलो हेलो हेलो, हाँ अब ठीक है। हाय विशाल, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। कैसे हो? सॉरी। हाय विशाल। हेलो 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 हेलो। प्रॉपर है क्या? हेलो, ओके, वी हैव टू क्वेरीज। एकदम बढ़िया, आप बताओ। मैं बढ़िया हूँ भाई, मैं ठीक हूँ। ऑल गुड। ऑल गुड। कैसा चल रहा है पढ़ाई लिखाई? अभी मैथ्स कैसा चल रहा है आपका? मैथ्स में कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह है तो पूछो, अगर आता है तो बताऊंगा, नहीं तो फिर खोजना पड़ेगा मेरे को अलग से, फिर पढ़ना पड़ेगा एंड ऑल। लाइक मैथ्स में कुछ डाउट है, अगर बेसिक डाउट्स है तो आप पूछ सकते हो। मैथ्स में कुछ बेसिक डाउट्स है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, मैं हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है। मतलब रिलेटेड टू, जैसे स्टैटिस्टिक्स हो गया, फिर प्रोबेबिलिटी हो गया, टाइप ऑफ, राइट। किसी को कुछ भी डाउट, किसी को कुछ भी डाउट लाइव स्ट्रीम में पूछ सकते हो। ऐसा ठीक रहेगा। लिखने के लिए अलग बोर्ड इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, राइट। एनीबडी हैव एनी डाउट? आई होप साउंड आ रहा होगा। विजिबल? जस्ट अ मिनट। विजिबल है क्या? ठीक है ना? ठीक है, चलो। ओके, वी हैव एनी डाउट्स और समथिंग? ए हाय जयदीप, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय जयदेव, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. Okay, we have one query from Jaideep. No worries, let me cover it up. So, anybody have any more doubts? They can ask your doubts here. ठीक है. By that meantime, let me cover up Jaideep का doubts. So, doubt is, bro, should I keep domain-wise resume or tool-wise resume? Or is it okay to put different domain in one resume? First thing first, let me tell you one thing. Keep one skeleton resume. Skeleton resume means what, you know? In that your projects won't be there, only your details will be there and all. Why I am saying this? Because whenever you apply for any vacancy as per domain, just copy and paste the projects. Copy and paste the project as it is in that skeleton CV or resume, right? That's the thing. That is one skeleton, मतलब वन rather than, मतलब skeleton नहीं, आप बोलो मास्टर रेज्यूमे बेटर रहेगा। एक मास्टर रेज्यूमे, कीप दैट वन थिंग, ठीक है। कीप वन मास्टर रेज्यूमे, ठीक है। सिंपल एज दैट, कीप वन मास्टर रेज्यूमे, राइट। लेट मी टेल यू, बट change or modify, I would say modify the same master resume as per domain. ठीक है, whatever domain you are applying or whatever vacancy related to a domain you are applying, keep that thing. That will be okay and good to go. ठीक है, that's the thing, right? One master resume and keep, and don't mix all this. मतलब tool wise resume, no need to keep it. See, anyhow, all those things, tools and all, they will ask you related to the project. If you have used that tool in that project, good to go. If not, you can add it in a additional project. मतलब ठीक है, suppose if you have used only SQL and Python in a project, but suppose this what we say, Power BI has not been used in any project, right? But they have asked in the vacancy that you are applying directly, write Power BI you have used, and you have a basic idea in that. You just write that. That's it. Nothing else. ठीक है? If you have not used Power BI in any of the project, but the vacancy is asking for Power BI, directly write ki have good experience in Power BI, kind of intermediate experience. You can write it. So at least they will have an idea like you have a knowledge in these tools. Plus, if they ask you question, any basics questions related to Power BI, you can answer that. If you have not still used Power BI in any of the project, that's the thing. Okay, no need to make tool wise resume. It will be very lengthy and very messy kind of thing. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Just keep one master resume and update it as it is. Simple. Take, that's the thing, right? So anybody have any doubt? Just a minute. Let me check. Anybody have any doubt in the live stream? I don't know why it is taking so much time. Hmm. Okay, we have one query from Vishal bro. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing किस में? मैथ्स में कि फिजिक्स में? Quantum computing, because we have this thing in maths and physics as well, both. मैथ्स का मेरे को पता है, फिजिक्स का मेरे को उतना आइडिया नहीं है. मैथ्स का आई कैन से इट इज रिलेटेड टू लीनियर एल्जेब्रा काइंड ऑफ, मतलब वेक्टर एंड मैट्रिसेस जो होते हैं उस पे यूज रहता है. इतना मैट्रिक्स पता नहीं, स्पेलिंग एक बार चेक कर लो. ठीक है, इतना पता है कि ये लीनियर अलजेब्रा में यूज होता है, और आई थिंक ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है वेक्टर एंड मैट्रिक्स के लिए, राइट? वेक्टर एंड मैट्रिक्स के लिए मतलब जैसे कि काइंड ऑफ आपका इंफॉर्मेशन कुछ अगर रिप्रेजेंट करना है, मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन related to vector, related to matrix, if you want to find out, then in maths that is called, sorry, that is called quantum computing. ठीक है, this is what I know about it. ठीक. Hey, hi Saeed, welcome to live stream. Just a minute. Welcome to live stream. Hello brother, hello, how are you? Hello brother, how are you? So anybody have any more doubts? Okay, we have one query from Jaideep. Okay, let me. We have one query from Jaideep. Like, do they ask hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing in interview, right? Hypothesis testing is mainly asked in data science interviews. Means I don't know about related to today's competition. If they ask in data analytics, maybe they can ask, maybe, but I don't think they will ask. They can ask if they ask for data analytics hypothesis testing, then they can ask for, sorry, PA value and all they can ask if they ask. And it might not be for फ्रेशर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, ठीक है। तो जैसे मतलब रहता ना, जैसे टी टेस्ट वगैरह रहता है, टी टेस्ट एंड ऑल, फिर जी टेस्ट रहता है, फिर पी वैल्यू। बट एज फार एज आई नो, फॉर फ्रेशर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, they won't ask this thing. They won't ask this thing. No need to worry about for freshers point of view, whatever I think. ठीक. But mostly like related to deep dive questions and all, they will ask in data science. ठीक है. They will ask in data science for deep dive point of view. But if you are working or studying for data analytics, and if you are having good quality experience like 2 to 3 years of experience, yeah, it is okay. They can ask you in that. They can. It is not necessary like they will ask you, but they can. And one more thing, huh? ये A/B testing वगैरह they can ask. And also one more thing, this questions depends, like if in projects you have used these things, then they can ask. Like in projects, if you have used these things, yeah, then they can ask, obviously, because see, if they find out like you know about this thing, then they will be obviously excited and they will ask you related to this. Okay, simple as it is. Okay, we have one query from Said. Please speak in English. Yeah, okay, I'm speaking in English. My means English and Hindi, what we say this, English, right? But I think till now I have speak in English for this live stream. Maybe in between I might have speaked in Hindi. But anyways, anybody have any more doubts in the live stream? Hey, hi Dilip, welcome to live stream. Hi Dilip, welcome to live stream. How to find the internship through off campus? Just a minute, if it is okay. Yeah. How to find internship off campus? Off campus, there are only this two platform where you can easily find out, but apply the filter like LinkedIn and naukri.com, but you have to apply filter and find out. So what you will apply in filter, if there is part time, obviously part time will be there, part time job role that is directly proportional to internship, or if there is internship checkbox in job type, then you can find it out. And but make sure you should select the cities which are like metro cities like Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, then why Pune, Mumbai, all those, matlab metro city, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Gurgaon, all those cities you have to select, filter out, and you have to search for internships, right? because what I have seen from the last 5 6 years, like this, not even 5 6 years, before 5 6 years as well, these internships are provided mainly in metro cities only. ठीक है, तो make sure you do it. It is not like कि only metro cities. There are like tier 2 cities as well, T2 cities and T3 cities, but still chances are very less. Chances are less. So make sure you go for the tier 1 cities and find out the internship, right? So okay, we have one query from Saeed. Okay, so the question is, how were you able to master SQL? It took time, 5 6 years in corporate and 7 to 8 clients. Plus, this is the work experience plus 2 years, almost not every day, but yeah, 2 years, like around 2016, 2017. I have started learning only SQL in college. I mean, there was an मतलब बोलते हैं ना, like additional subject we have to choose. Additional subject we have to choose in college. So I have choose like SQL, Excel, like related to data. I have selected. So SQL, Excel, and little bit of Python, but we were not interested in Python at that time because it was just like coding kind of thing for us. We don't have that much understanding at that time. So our college courses were mainly focused on this thing like SQL and Excel. So from 2016, mostly by 2016, and we have studied and given exams as well in colleges in our final year. So from that time, I have started studying. Plus my work ex was also in that field. So it was like, I'm not. Let me tell you one thing. I'm not master in that. Still, lots of things to learn. I'm still learning the snowflakes right now for data engineering and all those things. ठीक है? It is not like I have mastered and all. Still learning. Still on a learning phase. Still on a learning phase. Right. So by that time, anybody have any doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts. By that time, anybody have any doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts in the live stream. I'm ready to help you out, and I hope I have not missed anyone message right here. No, I haven't. I haven't. Chalo, no issue. So please ask your doubts in the live stream. By that meantime, let us start with just a minute. It's not this. Okay. Let's see if it is okay. So let us start with our assignment for data cleaning. And as far as I know, we have yesterday end the class in the date cleaning part, right? So we will continue from the date cleaning part only. So no need to worry about. Okay? We will continue today. And in that meantime, anybody have any doubts, they can ask here, right? Chalo, let's carry on with the doubts and all. Just a minute. Hmm. Did I missed some of the messages? No, I haven't. Chalo, ठीक है. Sorry. Okay, let's start where it is. So let's select the tables that we have to work on. It is like we have to work on this raw customer table. It's like select everything from raw customers. Okay, where it is. Yeah. So in that meantime, what things we have done? We have done only this date clearing, that too for the first one. Okay, that too for the first one. So let us move with the other dates as well. It is like select join raw date, select join raw date, then it is case when join raw date equal to starting of the, oops, sorry, yeah, where is it, starting of the string should be numbers, and it's like connection of 2, then a slash, then backslash d, 2 will be there, then backslash d, 4 will be there, and it's the end of the string. Then to date, you have to give the column join uh, date raw, and it's in what format, date, month, year. ठीक है. Else, oops, sorry, else null end from customers. Okay, let's see. अच्छा, join date raw है क्या? You have to change here as well. अब ठीक है. So this is for just one format we have did. Hi Jay, welcome to live stream. Hi Jay, welcome to live stream. How are you? I'm good. I'm good, bhai. I'm good, Jay. How are you? So right now, what we have to do? We have to take care of the second date format. Let's copy this thing. This is the second date format. Control C, Control V. So this is the second date format that we will be working on. So what we have in this, in second date format, we have slash D4, then slash D2, then slash D2. Okay, this is the format, simple. In earlier what we have did, in earlier we have did, right, like this. Why? Because it's like day, sorry, it's like day, month, and year, that's well. But right now what we have, right now what we have, right now we have like this. Wait, I also forgot. Right now we have year, month, and date. So year matlab like this. Tick. So same thing we will be writing. Matlab same query, same type of query, but the format will be different. Format in what sense? The format where we have given the regex expression will be different. Tick. Everything will be same. Everything will be same. So let's write this thing. Right? So anybody have any doubt till now? No doubts. Okay. For that we will delete, not delete this. We will click enter and we will start with when. So when, again, when we will write a case. When join date raw is this, join date raw is this, then we will write start of the string. Where is it? Yeah, start of the string should be like 4, then slash, then d is 2, slash, then d is 2, and end of the string. Then to date we will write join date raw, and in this it is in what format? First thing first, it is in year, then slash month slash day format. Okay, and then we will execute it. Then we will execute it. What happened? Watch. Right now what you have got, what you have received, see, we have received those dates which are following the same format. Okay, right now what dates we can see? We can see, 1 minute. Yeah, we can see some rows are following this format, like 3rd, 7th, and 9th. These 3 rows are following the same date format where it is year, month, and date. Like year, then slash, month, then slash date. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, I hope you got it. Right now, what we will do, we will see how do we manage like this kind of dates. Malab, this is a different kind of date right now. Okay, how do we manage it? Let's see. How do we manage like this kind of dates? Let's check that out. So this kind of date is in some different format. Like first it is date, sorry, it is like day, which is okay. We have managed like this. Then it is like month, and this is like year. But the thing is, year is only taking care of these two things. So for us, when we write to date, then the column name is what? Join date raw. Then we can write, oh sorry, then we can write day, month, year, like this. Day, month and year, like this we can write. ठीक है, सिंपल. वी हैव टू डू दिस. और बाकी जो फॉर्मेट क्या रहेगा? रेगेक्स फॉर्मेट. रेगेक्स फॉर्मेट इज सिंपल लाइक दिस. ठीक है, it will be like this: two digits, two digits and two digits. And in to date we will write date, month and year. Simple. How it is given in the raw format, we will write that. Right, simple. It is like, it is simple, just follow the concepts, that's it. So we will keep it easy and we will write, sorry, when join date raw is equal to slash d, sorry, then 2 slash, oh, what is happening, and slash d2, then slash d2. ठीक है, although the year is in year format, no worries for that, but still year is given in two digits format, so we have to write that two digits. We cannot do any other modification in that. ठीक, but here we will tell SQL कि join date raw column is having the date format, the unusual date format in day, month, year. Okay, wait, let me, I think I have done some mistake. So here it is a dash. Okay, I have done this mistake. Here it's a dash and we have done it. And when I execute it, see how many things have changed, like this one and this one. These two things have changed because this two date format are in the same date format, like 10/4/24, day, month, year, day, month, year. And the year is not written in full, like 2024 should be written here, but they have written 24. We write it, we also write it, but still we have to tell SQL कि the date is in year format. So make sure this year format changes to this, right? That's the thing. And right now, what kind of date format we are left with? This one, correct. Let's see what we have in this. Let's see what we have in this thing. Hmm. Okay, no worries for that. चलो ठीक है. Right now we have day equal to 4, then equal to 2, equal to 2. But see, there is a dot here. ठीक है. So let's check for dot what we have. Let's check for dot what we have for that. If we click this, it is like it matches any character other than new line. ठीक है. So we don't want to match character, we want a dot, just a dot. Let's see, do we have anything? We don't want to match a character, it is like matching the character. Hmm. Okay, so here they have not given anything. Let me check for this. No, we don't have here as well. My goodness. Any character they, see. This one is escaped special character. This one, what I'm saying. We need this one. We need this one. See how it is given. It's like G S G Skinner dot com then dot. We want a perfect dot. Like if you see here, it is a perfect dot here. ठीक है. It is a perfect dot. And we need this dot. How to do it? Just slash and a dot can be useful. मतलब slash and a dot is representation of dot in regex, right? Regex मतलब regular expression. So how to do it? Let's go and check that out in real scenario. We will write when join date raw is d. How many digits are there? Okay, let's write it here first. Let's write it here how the things will go on, then we will directly write that side. Let's see how the things will go on here. Let's see that. So how we will write slash d 4, then for this dot we will give this. ठीक है. For this dot we'll give this, then for this 5 it's like for this dot, then for this 15 it is like that. Take. I hope you understood it. We will represent the dot by black slash and dot, and baki to numbers it is like digits and the number of digits present there. Simple as that. It is like 4. Okay, let me see how many numbers are there. Like 4 slash this slash d 2 slash d then 4. End of the string. ठीक है. Then you will write to date, then the same thing, join date raw, and it is in what format? It is in year dot month dot day. Let's execute this. And when we execute it, see how what we have received. Do we received anything? We haven't. Mm, Did I miss something? We have done the same thing here, right? Everything is okay. Like, did I did some mistake? If you can make sure I take care of this. Mm, Let me again. Why it is showing an error, by the way? Everything is correct, right? Join date raw is there. To date is also there. Still, it is showing me an error. I don't know why. Like, anybody can help me out in this. I'm sending the query here. Like, anybody can help me out. Like, why? Where is the error here right now? Okay, okay. Here it should be two. Correct, correct. It should be two here. I have written this thing right now. Let's see. Is it okay? Ah, it's working right now. Right now, it's working. Actually, I've written four here, which was creating an issue. So we have to write two in this. Then only it will check and then give you the output in a date format. Actually, I've written four, so it was not matching, due to which we have not received the output. Take. So for a single number mistake, we have uh, got no answer in that. So this is a learning point for us, and this kind of mistake can be created. Obviously, this kind of mistake can be created. So make sure next time when you don't get answer in this or you get a error, always check the number inside the curly bracket are correct or not. Okay, so this is a learning phase for us. We have learned that this kind of mistake can be created when we are writing regex function. Okay, so do we have any more thing? Okay, we have two more kind of date format. Okay, let's cover this thing. Okay, so what it is all about? It is all about do, then it is simple format. Okay, it is just a simple format. Dash is there, right? Means the separator of day, month, and year is having dash. So it is normal query we have to write, and we have to find the solution. Let's write it here and see what we get when join date raw is equal to slash d. Wait, what was the format? 2 2 and 4. ठीक है, select 2 2 and 4, we get the output. Then to date join date raw, and we will be telling in what format the date, month and year is. We can write simply, it is like day, month, year. Let's execute and see, is there any issue in that? No issue. So everything is done and dusted, and we have to take care of this two thing right now. Take, I think these two are in same format as we are working on, right? Same format means it is like 2024 12 24. It is in year format, then month format, then date format. It is as usual, so no need to worry about. We have to directly write the same thing that is written here and we will get the output. Only we have to change the data type here. Okay, everything will be same. Format is okay. Format is okay. But the data type is not okay. Why? Reason, the data type in the raw is variable character. We have to change to date data type. This thing we have to take care of. Okay, simple. So same format. Let's work out in this SQL environment. We will write when join date raw equal to, let me just, when join date raw equal to this slash d is in 4, sorry, slash d it is in 2, then slash d it is in 2. But here is a catch. Okay, here dollar will be there. Let me just increase it like that. अब ठीक है शायद, ठीक है. But here dollar will be there. Then to date join date raw year month day. Take, let's execute and see what is the output for us. Okay, see, we have received each and every output in this uh I mean raw data set. Let me just copy and paste it here so that you will be able to see all those things in a single frame. So if you check that out, we have already done the proper and a raw conversion of raw date format using data cleaning method Using data cleaning in what? Regex method to clean date. ठीक है. So in that meantime, anybody have any doubt in the live stream, they can ask your doubts. Like anybody have any doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts related to any of the query, you can ask me. Anybody have any doubts, just ask me the doubts, I will help you out. Anybody have any doubts, just ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts? Just ask your doubts in the live stream. I am ready to help you out. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts in the live stream. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Ask your doubts. Sorry. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts in the live stream. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Anybody have any? Hey, hi Simranjit, welcome to live stream. Hi Simranjit, welcome to live stream. I have a question. How can we? Okay, let me just cover it up. It is like, how can we secure job in AI era? Just I would say upgrade yourself. That's it. Right now, the AI era is developing and it is harmful for non-tech people. No need to worry about technical people. For non-tech people, it is really tough to survive. Let me tell you, because the things which are monotonous, I mean to say things which are monotonous, sorry for the spelling mistake, which is like just read and apply kind of things, which is like just read and apply kind of things. This kind of things will be actually adapted by AI. So these things are actually harmful and these are mostly non-technical jobs. ठीक है. Related to technical jobs, there is no issue in that. Let me tell you. ठीक है. The thing is, you need to upgrade yourself. Upgrade in what sense? Upgrade in fast learning any programming language, whatever language you like. It is not like is only SQL only you will learn or only Python. Whatever programming language you like, it should be fast paced learning. ठीक है. Should be able to solve mm, tricky questions in a faster way. Like this kind of scenario, if you do, you are actually ahead of lots of people or lots of candidates in any of the technical field. ठीक है. So if you are good in that, no need to worry about. And for technical domain, AI won't harm you. That's the thing, right? For non-tech, yeah, it is tough. Non-tech, I would say it is like in less than 5 years or maybe less than that, this non-technical jobs will actually get vanished. Let me tell you, because this thing will obviously adapted by AI. Let me tell you that. But all the technical domain kind of things where you need to learn programming language, need to develop logic techniques, these are tough. Actually, it is tough for AI to hamper your job. ठीक है. Maybe in next 10-15 years, AI would be able to take care of this technical jobs as well, but still there is a time. No need to worry about. But for non-tech, it is a red alert. You can see right now, mostly like if you take care of any of the service based company, you see all the mostly like I would say not 90 but 80% of the customer care का job is automated. ठीक है. Is automated. Very less amount. I mean, very serious problem are solved by humans. I mean, in this I'm saying customer care. Very serious problem. Even though in Amazon you see They don't direct you to the customer care, actual human customer care that easy. ठीक है. First they will try to handle the issues using the automated text and all. ठीक है. You see that example I'm saying. So you can see the example of customer care in front of you only. Like if you call any kind of company like Zomato or Swiggy kind of thing, anything you take service based company, they will be redirecting you to automated या तो text या तो voice call through AI. Means auto generated. It's AI obviously. So non-tech jobs very harmful, I would say. Very much issue will be there in near future. But for technical, no worries for that. ठीक है, no worries for that. ठीक है. If you are learning any technical language or any programming language where logic is required or techniques are required, like human techniques or human logic is required, then no need to worry about. Yeah, and that's the truth. So anybody have any more doubts? Anybody have any more doubts in any of the field or any domain or anything you need to ask? You can ask in the live stream. Like anybody have any doubts in the live stream, just ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts in the live stream. Okay, we have one. Hi Smiths, welcome to live stream. Hi Smiths, welcome to live stream. Sorry for that. So we have one query. Let me write it here. So we have one query from Smiths, like, can we detect outlier in SQL? And if yes, then okay. Outliers, yeah, we can detect and we can like identify that and we can take care of that. So first thing first, to others, like what is outliers? Okay, let's understand that. Then we will move to the understanding part in SQL. What is outliers? It is a kind of data. It is a kind of data which is different from other data, which is different from other data. ठीक है. What kind of different? Different matlab not in data type, I am saying. Not in data type. Data type will be same, but the difference between the other data will be different. I mean to say, suppose I would say student का marks. ठीक है, for student 1 it is 50, student 2 it is 60, kind of thing. Just let's take that example. Take, sorry, where it is. Student 3, it is 45. Student 4, it is 55. But here we get student data which is 500. Obviously, see what's the difference between that, like around 5 to 10 ka difference. But can you feel the difference here? It is like bit odd. Obviously it is like bit odd kind of difference is there. So student 5, the data in student 5 is 500, which is like very high from other data, right? So in this way we can find out like which data is different from other data. Take it easily. So okay, what, like if yes, then how? Mm, okay. ठीक है. Okay, let's check this out from this example itself. ठीक है. From this example, we will check that out. ठीक. Suppose let's take easy topic like easy finding out. We will use average and we will use standard deviation for that. Standard deviation for that. ठीक है. To find out the difference. ठीक. Suppose let's write it here. Student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, student 5. ठीक है. And we will keep some data here. Example, we will write the whole semester points. ठीक है. Suppose semester points we will write 200, 220. Okay, what should we give? Like any idea? Okay, let me give this 210, 25. And here let's give 5,000 because 500 will be anyways close with it. ठीक. Right now I will find out the, I mean to say, data which is different from others. ठीक है. What I will do, I will find out using average and standard deviation. ठीक है. I hope you are getting it. I hope you are getting it. Like, can anybody write something here like you are getting, like till here? If it's clear, then we can continue. If it is clear till here, then we can continue from here, right? Like if it is clear till here, we can continue on. Like because I have to make sure like you are getting the idea on step by step because it is kind of bit confusing. That's why I'm saying. Right. I hope you are getting. Okay, we have one query from Jay. Hello, sir. Yeah, hi Jay. Welcome to live stream. I think you are there in the live stream, but okay, no worries. So what I have told, we will use average and standard deviation. ठीक है. So what's the average for this? ठीक है. What's the average for all the total? If I find out what's the average of all the this numbers, let me check first. Calculator. Let's check the average first. 200, 220, 210, 205 divided by. ठीक है. It's like 1167 is the average. Let's write it here. 1167 is the average. Right now, if I have to find the standard deviation of this, we have to find out that. So for that, let me use the internet and standard deviation. We have to find out for this. I hope you are getting it right. If you are getting this, can we continue further? If not, let me find out the standard. Let's find out the standard deviation in this. What's the data here? 200, 220, 200, 220, 210, 205. Like 1916 is the standard deviation. Okay. So standard deviation is 1916. Okay. So in this way, standard deviation, first of all, what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is like how the data is spread out. Okay. I mean to say how the data is spread out. It's the standard deviation. How the data is spread out called standard deviation, and what's the average? That is simple center of the data. Okay. Center of the data. That's it. Okay. That's the thing. For now, we have know about average and standard deviation. Okay. Right now, we will find out the outlier range. What is outlier? First thing first. At outlier ranges, we have to find out the upper limit and the lower limit. Okay. Upper limit and lower limit. We have to find out that. Okay. How to find out the upper limit? If you are good with stats and all, you would have, if you have studied stats, the basics one, not that much tough, because in class 11th it was there. I mean, I know most of you have took maths, that's why you are interested in technical field. So what's the upper limit for that? Upper limit is how to find the upper limit matlab standard deviation, and lower limit is, I hope you are understanding this, standard deviation. Okay, that's the upper limit and lower limit. So what we have to do, if uh, the scores of the students, if the scores of the students are greater than upper limit, or the scores of the students are less than the lower limit, then we can find out the solution. Simple as that. Okay. I hope you got it. This is how we can find out the outliers in the data series. Okay. I hope you got it. I hope you got the solution for this. Okay, we have three queries from Jay, Jaideep, and Faizan. Hey, hi Faizan, welcome to live stream. So, okay, first Jay का देखते हैं. Can you tell what is indexes, and how it is used in SQL? Okay, 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 I will explain that. Jaideep, bro, I am from non-tech biology background fresher. How can I get job? Is it difficult for me? See, for biology background, that's a different thing. Let me tell you, matlab, the non-tech that I'm talking about, it is related to IT non-tech, IT non-tech, IT non-technical. ठीक है, it is not related to the non-technical educational background. That's a different thing. Non-technical education background is a different thing. ठीक है, so no need to worry about all that because your domain is different. In your domain, अब क्या हो गया? Your domain is different. That's what I'm saying. Wait a minute. हाँ, your domain is different. I am talking about नॉन आईटी, मतलब आईटी में नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड, ठीक है, आईटी में नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड, नॉट दिस, ठीक. सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, वट एवर डोमेन यू हैव टुक, you study in that and find job in this market. No worries for it. ठीक है. I am talking about, if you thought कि for the non-technical domain I am talking, it is for IT non-technical domain. For IT, what are the non-technical domain? जैसे कि customer care service, they are kind of IT domain. Then it is like tester, software testing kind of thing, or it is like quality, software quality specialist, like this kind of thing. ठीक है, like this kind of thing AI can harm. Like I am saying, because whatever I am seeing right now in this world, in this situation, however the AI is growing, or however the AI is learning, they will obviously take this IT का non technical domain. ठीक है, so in IT, what is technical domain? It is all about some programming language work, जैसे कि वेब डेवलपमेंट kind of thing, or you can say cyber security, or you can say data analyst, or you can say software developer, like this kind of technical domain. So these are no worries for the AI, let me tell you, because here human logic and human brain is required. So maybe in near future AI can tackle this thing as well, but no worries for that. ठीक है, no worries for that. Okay, we have right now for Faizan, like SQL assignment के solution का, SQL assignment का जो solution है उसका आंसर मैं दे दिया हूँ, आप चेक कर सकते हो. मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट में दे दिया हूँ, उसका वीडियो अलग से बनाया नहीं हूँ मैं. ठीक है, उसका डॉक्यूमेंट में आई हैव गिवन द आंसर इन द सेम गूगल ड्राइव लिंक. ठीक है, यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. तो आप गूगल ड्राइव लिंक जो दिया हुआ है उस पे जाके आप चेक करो, यू विल गेट आंसर्स ऑन दैट. ठीक, मैंने एक्चुअली फोल्डर भी बनाया हुआ है, लाइक द फोल्डर फॉर आंसर. सो गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. ठीक है, ओके, वी हैव one query from Jaideep. Okay, Jay, I am coming to you. No need to worry about. I am coming back to you. For me, as a biology background, how can I get into DA? Is it difficult for me? See, first thing first, getting into DA is No related to like you are from biology background or something. No worries for that. Oh, any background doesn't matter. In Amazon, I have seen people from call center are working as a data analyst and earning a huge salary. Okay, and they are from arts background or some different background, means matlab not BTech background. ठीक है, they are not even from BTech background, they are working in Amazon in data analyst. Obviously not as a fresher. Obviously not as a fresher, they have started their career in data as a data analyst in, sorry, in sub startup companies or any other normal companies kind of thing, normal MNCs, I would say. They've started their career there. They took good quality experience, matlab 3 years 2 years का experience they took, and then they switched to Amazon, ठीक है, as a DA. So they have started their career somewhere in startup companies kind of thing, in as a DA, ठीक है. So startup, as I've told you, startup companies, they don't care about what domain you are from, what was your previous domain or what was your background. They don't take care of it. No need to worry about. Okay. Okay. Do you know anyone who got DA job having BA biology background? I don't know, but I know three guys who were working on my floor, matlab in the office one, and they were from this call center. Like three were from different call center group. One was from TechM, two like I don't know what was the company they are working for, but one guy I know, he was from Tech Mahindra, because the name is easy to remember. That's why. Other two are like normal this call center group. They are working, but still they have studied. They have worked in some startup companies. I mean, the three student, like the three candidates that I was talking for, they three are working in start. They three had worked in startup companies. Then they joined like any other good companies like MNCs. Then they came to Amazon. Okay, it was like that. So they have mainly worked 3 year, 4 year in call center, and that time they were studying data analysis, में SQL, Python, then Power BI, like this kind of thing. They have studies all the tools they have studied. Then they shifted to this startup companies. Like all the three have shifted to startup companies, different. Then they have worked in good MNCs, then came back to Amazon. So it was like that. Okay. Even though they are from call center group, means call center domain, I mean to say. That is far away from data analyst wala काम. ठीक. So no worries for that. Okay. Which type of company should I concentrate? Startup companies. Why? Startup companies is what it is. Malab, I am saying not only startup companies, not only startup companies, you can go for MNCs as well. Whatever MNCs, it's like taking care of 0 to 2 years ka work ex, or 1 year to 2 years ka work ex, you can go and apply. ठीक है, no worries for that. Okay, I am a fresher as well. No worries. See, first thing first, the people who came as a DA, they were also fresher, and they have a experience, like work experience in some different domain, which is far away. Matlab, see, call center is domain is here and data analyst domain is here. So it is like far away from this domain, and it is anyhow not interconnected in any mean. ठीक है, and that too like 3 4 years का work ex they had. 3 4 years, not even like 1 2 years का work ex. 3 4 years का work ex they had, like sales, call center kind of. Then they studied, switched to some startup companies, and then came to some MNCs and then back to Amazon. That's it. So no worries for that. Start applying for startup companies, something like that. Start applying from startup companies, and you are good to go. Just you need one good quality experience. One good experience you need, then you are good to go. No worries for that. Okay, we have no queries right now. Okay, let's get back to J. Can you tell what is index and how to use it? इंडेक्स मतलब क्या है? इंडेक्स मतलब क्या होता है कि इट हेल्प टू फाइंड आउट काइंड ऑफ, मतलब ठीक है बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। इंडेक्स मतलब क्या होता है, जो इस तरीके से the numbers which are given to rows, that's the thing, kind of data structure or the numbers that are given to rows to find the data easily, ठीक है, that are index. If you see in Python, it starts from 0 1 2 3 4 kind of thing, ठीक है, it starts like that, ठीक है, but in SQL it's already like 1 2 3 4 like that. If you go and check that out, ठीक है, let's check here. This one, take this one you seeing now. This is what indexes means. Simple. That's the thing. ठीक है. So, and what is the next question that you ask? How to use it in SQL? It is used to, like, I would say, find or update data set. Means you, when you want to update a data set, like update a data set, it is mainly used at that time. I mean to say, suppose you want to update someone salary by 1,000 rupees. So you will do like this, update the table name, set salary equal to this, where where you can say employee ID, because employee ID here work as index, where employee ID is equal to 1, like this. So it is like mainly used for doing all this kind of update kind of things, delete kind of things. Even though if you want to just like delete and insert kind of things, means just you want to tell to SQL ki I have the data here, like I have the data here, just do some modification on whatever data I am talking about, or whatever row. It is better to say whatever row I am talking about. That's it. That's the use of indexes. That's the thing, right? And this is how we use indexes, is like that. For suppose for this table we have employee ID as indexes, okay? This is how we do it. And how to create indexes, uh, simple. You can suppose if you want to create index, you have to write create, क्या था, I shall forget. I just forget about it. Let me just remember. The create था कि alter था? Shit, I forgot. Let me remember it. I just a minute. Okay, we have one more. Okay, just wait. I'm getting back to you like how to create an index. I'm getting back to you how to create it. Like you know how to use it. I hope you get it. How to use it. How to create it. Let me get back to you. Okay. No worries for that. Just a minute. Let me remember it. Hmm, Let me check. How to create index? I just forgot it. Just forgot it. Actually, I forgot. But one thing I know, like, it is like, what I'm forgetting is like, do we have to give the index ka name? That only I'm forgetting. Other than that, we can use easily like create index. Like this, we can write it create index on the table name. Simple on the table name and the column name you have to write. But what I am forgetting is like, do we really have to give the index name or not? That only I am forgetting. Do we really have to give the index name or not? That only I am forgetting. Okay. That's the main thing I have to check and get back to you. I will check and get back to you. Okay. I actually forgot. But these things are correct. Like we have to create index on the table name and on the column name. At the back end, the index will be created in SQL. Okay. But I don't know what I don't know like do we really have to give the index name or not? That is the only main thing. Like in primary key, I mean to say, like when you go for the, I mean to say like foreign key, primary key, when you make this thing, what you do, you create a प्राइमरी की का नेम, जैसे कि फॉरेन की के लिए एफ के का दिखाता है, प्राइमरी की के लिए पी के का दिखाता है, इस तरीके से एक नेम जनरेट होता है, मतलब कंस्ट्रेंट नेम गेट जनरेटेड, कंस्ट्रेंट नेम गेट जनरेटेड. ठीक है. फॉर बट फॉर दिस what we say, but for this index I have to check and get back to you. ठीक है. I will get back to you on this. ठीक, I have to check that out and get back to you. First I will try on my side, then I will get back, but these things are correct. It's like create index on this, then table name. It is correct. But for this, I have to check and get back to you. Okay, we have one query. Bro, I don't anything about what companies are startup. How can I find the type of companies? Where can I find them? See, first thing first, startup companies are those companies who have like they don't have good amount of years in functioning. That are called startup companies. I mean to say, what are MNCs or what are FANG also come under MNCs. These are companies who have started their companies back in 10-15 years. Okay. And they have created a good quality wealth generation from market, and also good quality respect, good quality clients from the market. ठीक है, they have generated this. So startup companies, I mean to say, see, you directly have to go and search in naukri.com, having a filter like startup companies, and if there is a filter in that, then you can search startup companies, and you have to write the domain. Sorry, you have to write the tools. What tools you know, like SQL, Python, like these tools you have to write. You can write domain as well, like data analytics. So what will happen, SQL will search all those keywords and give the company name or the vacancy, if there is any if there is any vacancy for the particular location. ठीक है. And one more thing, let me tell you, like startup companies are not like in 5 years they have started a company. It is not like that. Mostly if you see like Misho, like let me check Misho का कितना year हुआ है. See, Misho started in 2015, so it is like almost 10 years. So yeah, right now, earlier Misho was also a startup company. So in 10 years, like right now, you can see they have kept their name in stock market as well. So like this kind of, matlab, right now Misho is not startup companies, but yeah, like 5 years down the line, they were startups. So the companies who have started operating in less than 5 years kind of thing, or kind of unicorn companies as well, मिड लेवल स्टार्टअप्स जिसको बोलते हैं, these companies you can join as a data analyst and start your job, I mean start your career, I mean to say. So these are the startup companies, that's it. What startup companies names you might not be knowing, I might not be knowing, because they have just started operation in less than 5 years, and that what I'm trying to say. How to search it? Just go for the filter option in naukri.com and in linkedin.com. ठीक है, you will get those companies name with the vacancy post for the domain that you are searching. ठीक है, so that's the thing. ठीक, I hope you got the answer right. I hope you got the answer for this. So no need to worry about, say you're learning this thing in this, I mean to say you're learning data analytics in domain, so no need to worry about. ठीक, mostly you see startup companies, if you go and check, mostly they are into SaaS, mostly because in my college I've seen mostly startup companies come with this. Startup companies are there which mostly they use this AI tools, or you can say the fintech companies, fintech or education companies. These are mostly startup companies, right? Mostly, like earlier PW, if you see PW was a startup company, then Byju's earlier, right now they are not startup companies, they are huge kind of MNCs there right now, billion of profit, right? I mean, early stage companies, it is startup companies. Take, and let me tell you one thing, if you are moving to this startup companies ka search option, always make sure you give filter in city as well, मतलब जैसे metro cities like Mumbai, Delhi kind of cities, because Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore kind of cities, metro cities I mean to say, because these companies have, I mean these cities have lots of startup companies to take care of. ठीक है, so no need to worry about. Always make sure to keep filter on the city. ठीक है. I hope you get it. I hope you got the solution for that. Jaideep, I hope you got the solution for that. So anybody have any doubt in the live stream? Any doubt you can ask? Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. And no need to worry about like you are from, doesn't matter whatever domain you are working in, whatever domain you are from, if you are having knowledge about the skills, like if you are having knowledge or if you are having skills, you are good to go. So no worries for that. ठीक है. So okay. So anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. It's going to be 10 o'clock. Okay. So anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. Or it's 10 o'clock. So should I close the live stream right now because it's 10 o'clock already? Should I close the live stream and let's meet tomorrow again? It's 10. So anybody have any more doubts? I don't think anybody have any doubts right here. But anyways, chalo, let's start a live stream, new live stream tomorrow, and let's meet again in the new live stream. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and let's meet again in a new live stream. So, okay, we have one query, फैजान. SQL असाइनमेंट सॉल्यूशन किस वीडियो में आपने किया? भाई मैं उसका वीडियो नहीं बनाया हूँ. उस पे मैंने सिर्फ सॉल्यूशन डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे दिया हुआ है गूगल ड्राइव लिंक पे, राइट? डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे रखा हुआ है. आप चाहो तो जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है जो गूगल ड्राइव लिंक है, सेम गूगल ड्राइव लिंक में जाना, उसमें एक फोल्डर है सॉल्यूशन का, उस पे आपको सारे असाइनमेंट के सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएंगे. मतलब असाइनमेंट 1 से लास्ट असाइनमेंट, असाइनमेंट 10 तक, ठीक है, तो वो वीडियो में नहीं है, नॉट इन वीडियो, इट इज़ इन डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट, ठीक है, डॉक्यूमेंट पे है। आप डायरेक्टली जाके देख सकते हो कि कौन सा क्वेरी किस क्वेश्चन पे बेस्ड है, और आपको सॉल्यूशन वहीं पे ही मिलेगा, राइट। बट स्टिल अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन पूछना है, मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम में समझा सकता हूँ आपको, राइट। बट लेट मी टेल यू, उसका वीडियो नहीं है, सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट में है, यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट, और सेम गूगल ड्राइव लिंक पे है, ठीक है, सेम गूगल ड्राइव लिंक पे दिया गया है, जिस गूगल ड्राइव लिंक से आप डॉक्यूमेंट और जो डेटा सेट्स है वो डाउनलोड किए, वहीं से ही है, सेम गूगल ड्राइव लिंक, राइट। I hope you got the answer for this. So let's start again with the new live stream tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. I hope you got the answer, Faizan. So till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy coding, happy learning, and let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream.